Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix PDF file is not opening on your WhatsApp. Okay, let's start. This is problem. At first, go to your Play Store. Now tap on search. Search here WhatsApp. And then type here WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Check update your WhatsApp. My WhatsApp already updated. After update your WhatsApp and go back and search for PDF and then type here PDF. Tap on PDF. Choose PDF application. Install your device PDF application. My PDF application already installed. Go back your home screen. Now tap on phone settings. Scroll down little bit. Tap on apps. Then tap on apps management. And then search here WhatsApp. Now type here WhatsApp. Scroll down again. You can see storage. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. After tap on clear cache, go back. You can see force stop and tap on force stop. Now tap on OK. You can see permission manager. Tap on permission manager. You can see all permission. Make sure all permission is allowed. Now go back to your WhatsApp. Now tap on your PDF file. Tap on just now. By doing this process, you can see hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.